And things didn't exactly go to plan for India and South Africa, but there were enough positives to keep the Indian fans interested. For all those personnel who failed to deliver, the team found others who made up. A year ago, India's A team was in New Zealand, and the team's coach on that tour, Lalchand Rajput, believes those who failed to deliver in South Africa could well be the key to the success in New Zealand.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar with the ball, Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan with the bat.
I mean, they've won a lot.
These are the three stars who were expected to shine in South Africa. All of them came a cropper. But they were Team India's leading performers in 2013. The selectors have persisted with them, and their fortunes could soon change in New Zealand. Bhuvneshwar Kumar found no swing in South Africa. In New Zealand, even seam bowlers with medium pace can look menacing with the swinging ball. Bhuvneshwar needs to regather his rhythm, says Lalchand Rajput, who was the India A coach in New Zealand when Bhuvi delivered in Christchurch last year. Subsequently, he earned his India cap.
Basically, Bhuvi is more of the ball. He doesn't have that much pace in it, but he can move the ball both ways. And if he can consistently bowl on one line, on that corridor, he'll be a dangerous bowler. If you look in India also, he had a dream debut. He did exceptionally well, but I think South Africa was one where he could not deliver. But I'm sure he knows what was lacking there.
On the batting front, the opening duo of Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma are also under some pressure after failing to deliver in South Africa. But Rajput, who has worked with both Rohit and Shikhar on both India duties and A teams, expects them to bounce back.
Never had a good, because he had those starts, but he could not convert those starts into big score. So I'm sure he will be hoping to convert those starts into big scores in New Zealand. Too good a player to be out of form for too long.
Shikhar had also come to visit Rajput to train at the BCCI Academy while in Mumbai before the Kiwi tour, and says he looked determined to turn things around.
Shikhar Dhawan, because he had a dream run as well, because last year was terrific for him. If you look at his innings in South Africa as well, he used to get those starts, but he could not convert those starts because he got out on the bouncers on few occasions, and he was very keen to make things happen that, because I have missed out on South Africa, so I want to make it big in New Zealand.
Let's hope these three young guns shine in New Zealand for Team India.
If Bhuvneshwar Kumar was not the right man for the job in South Africa, he could be the man suited for the occasion in New Zealand. Shikhar and Rohit will be tested again, but they may not have to worry about the perfume ball in Kiwi land. With the selectors reposing faith in the failed trio, experts believe they could be the game changers for India in New Zealand. In Mumbai, with cameraman Mangesh, Rasesh Mandani for Headlines Today.